Hello everyone, this is Gbpusd back in today's episode. So guys, today we are talking about the forex market because I have spent some good time without posting anything on this YouTube channel because I have been seeing some good consolidation in this market because as you can see me, I always trading markets, and we have to focus on the formation of higher highs, lower lows, higher highs, lower lows, and if that doesn't happen, then we shouldn't be in the market. Why should we be in the market? There's a lot of consolidation in the market. There's a lot of ups and downs without a qualified direction because we just know we have to get good and clear market conditions. So now we have been waiting for the late product news, that is the NFP. Probably we should be seeing the CPI coming out probably in the next future because and we just wait for that consolidation to happen to get clear market direction. So now, as you can see, we are just going to go into the charts and we see what we expect to happen in the next week as we prepare for good trading period. So now let's just dive into the charts and see how to go about it. Hello everyone, it's Gbpusd back in today's episode. So guys, we are back into the charts because it has been so long, and we were so quiet because as you know, we just wait for the best setup to pan out, and we are just waiting for market structure shift to confirm our entry point because as you can see, the placement is done already. It's a done deal. So now we're just waiting for confirmation around this zone, and we buy continuously like I said at the beginning of the year. So guys, as you can see, in the market has been so trending. We have been seeing movement to the upward direction. So as you can see clearly, we just have to show this by a trend line. Not that I have to use a trend line when I'm trading, but just use it to clarify the direction in which I'm going to get my entries. So now, as you can see, we just had to see this retracement. It was so massive, and it kept me out of the charts, and it's what I was waiting for. And I'm just waiting for confirmation on the lower time frame, that is the 4-hour time frame. It's the time frame that I'm going to use for entries and exits. So now we just have to be so patient, like I have been for the whole month. I think I've spent a whole month without trading. That is a month of September. I didn't press any trade. Sincerely speaking. So now we just have to wait for everything to pan out clearly as I expect. So now there was some bit of fair value gap that is allocated here by this zone. This is the zone I'm talking about, and we expect the market to have respect for that zone, and we shall head up to the upwards as my arrow is showing around this zone. So what I'm going to consider from this zone, I expect to have market structure shift. That is, I want to expect the market to break the previous high and it goes to the upward direction because I expect the market to buy until the year ends. So now when the market goes upwards, I expect this to be our TP. That is our first take profit. That is for the swing traders, and I expect to get around over 100 pips. I guess, don't you see, over 200 something pips, and we just leave the market to run on its own, or else we get another entry around this zone if at all our TP is hit successfully. So now we just have to be patient. It's all about patience and discipline. So now we just have to be patient for this setup, and I hope next week is going to be productive for our setups because I see some good market conditions in future because NFP has done its job. And by the way, I just knew what NFP was going to do, and indeed it did, but I wouldn't touch it because I had no entry point and the exit point wasn't available because I just expected just a random movement. I remember just those who are on my WhatsApp just saw a status whereby I said NFP is gonna be so bullish for some short time, then real move will come and to be so bearish for USD, Gbpusd and USD. And indeed, that is what clearly happened. But there was no entry point. So for gamblers, we entered big up, you won it, because it was luck. It was your luck, because news are hard to predict, and we just have to get an edge in this market, and we get some entry and exit points that have to be clear enough, and we don't have some good and bad gambling luck. So gambling sometimes is luck, whereby you have to win on probation. So now, okay, so we just go back into the charts. So we just have to wait for confirmation on the 4-hour time frame, as I am allocating my allo. So now I expect this lower high to be broken, and that is going to be my market structure shift, and we shall get an entry probably in this zone after breaking the market, and we shall head up for buying opportunities. So now we just have to be patient for this. Remember guys, I always pressure Tuesday and Wednesday for my entry points, because Mondays are also bits of consolidation. Thursday I expect a retracement, and Friday probably that is the close of the week. So now why should I place a trade when the markets are closing? So now I just have to be patient until Tuesday and Wednesday, because I expect either the low of the week or the high of the week to form on those particular days. So now we just have to be so creative in these markets, because you must learn everything day by day. You won't learn thousands of information in these markets before you go into the charts and analyze successfully. You have to learn, then afterwards you're going to earn. You learn and fail, then learn again, then harvest. That's what I basically have for you in this episode. So now guys, remember, whatever I say here, whatever market direction I have for Gbpusd, it's going to be the opposite of DXY. DXY is correlating negatively to these pairs, that's Gbpusd, LDSD, and EURUSD. So now we just have to relate what I've said and expect that to happen for DXY. DXY must provide a negative market direction. So now we have to start from the daily time frame. All right, we are there. So now, as you can see, DXY is currently in our zone. This is the zone I had just annotated in the charts, and we expect a reversal from this zone, because it is going to reject the market if all goes well, and we shall expect movement to the downside. So we just have to wait for these setups to pan out if you are patient. So now let's wait for this market patiently for next week, and I hope it's going to be so productive. Let's pray hard, and guys, remember, hard work, price prayer brings success. So now let's get on the next episode, as you're going to like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. It gives me motivation to create some good content for you guys, as I have done. So guys, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Alright, so guys, until we meet, see you soon. Hope you need some good content in this YouTube channel, so please make sure you like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel, as it is going to motivate me to always create some good content for you guys in the near future, and this is going to help you in your forex journey. So guys, make sure you like and share to your friends, and they shouldn't miss out this content. So guys, until we meet, see you soon. Bye bye.